Hi, we are doing area and perimeter. The question is a footpath of uniform width runs all around the outside of a rectangular field 30-meter long and 24 meter wide. If the path occupies an area of 360 meters square, find its width. Now, what is the question saying? There is a rectangular field that is 30 and 24 meter wide and 30-meter long. A footpath of uniform width runs all around the outside. That means there is a footpath which runs outside the field like this. Right? Now we have to find the width of this footpath. Now the area covered by the footpath is 360 if the path occupies an area of 360 meters square. That means what is given? Area of footpath. The diagram will be like this: 360 meters square. So what will be the area of footpath? Area of footpath will be area of outer rectangle minus area of rectangular field, that is inner one. Fine. Now first we will find area of rectangular field. What will be the area of rectangular field? 30 into 24, because that is the dimension of the field. That is 720 meters square. And what will be the area of outer rectangle? Okay, we have to find the area of outer rectangle. Let the width of the footpath be x, right? So length of outer rectangle will be 30 plus x on both the sides, that is 30 plus 2x, and width of the outer rectangle will be 24 plus 2x. So what will be the area of outer rectangle? Area of outer rectangle will be 30 plus 2x into 24 plus 2x. So how will we do? We'll multiply 30 with 24, then 30 with 2x, then plus in between 2x with 24 and 2x with 2x. Okay, so now it will become 30 into 24 is 720 plus 30 into 2x becomes 60x plus 24 into 2x 48x plus 4x square. Now what is this area of footpath? We'll take this formula now. Area of footpath is 360. So 360 is area of outer rectangle. This is area of outer rectangle. So 720 plus 60x plus 48x plus 4x square minus area of rectangular field, that is 720. So plus minus cancel. 360 is equal to 60 plus 48, 108x plus 4x square. Now what we can do here? We can take 4 common, right? So 360 is equal to 4 कॉमन ले लेते हैं. What will I be left with? 4 2s are 8, 28 right? That is 7 fours are 28, right? And this is x square. Now 4 goes to the other side because it is multiply, so 4 can come here. 27x plus x square, 90. So now we'll get all the, this is a quadratic form because it is a x has a power of 2. So this will become x square plus 27x plus 90 comes here, becomes minus 90 is equal to 0. Now how do we solve this quadratic? We split the middle term, that is 27x will be the middle term. First term will be x square and the last one will be the constant, in such a way that when I multiply I should get minus 90. So if I write plus 30x and minus 30x plus minus 27x I will get, and when I will multiply 30 with 3 I'll get 90 and plus minus 90, right? So how will I write this? As x square will be written as x square and 27x will be written as plus 30x minus 3x, because when I solve these two, multiply these two, I should get minus 90. Now how will I solve this? x plus 30 minus 3, कॉमन बिटवीन माइनस 3x एंड 90. फर्स्ट टर्म में x रह जाएगा, सेकेंड टर्म में प्लस 30 is equal to 0. Now in both the terms we have x plus 30 as common. Now what I am left with in the first term? X minus 3 is equal to 0. So x is equal to, okay, x plus 30 is 0. If x plus 30 is 0, then x is minus 30. If x minus 3 is 0, because when you multiply two numbers, one number has to be 0, then only the product will become 0. So either x plus 30 is 0 or x minus 3 is 0. So if x minus 3 is 0, then x is 3. So what we will do, x cannot be minus 30, negative, because it's a measurement. Therefore x is equal to 3. Therefore the width of the footpath will be 3 meters. Fine.